Okay, welcome back to this video and welcome back to my channel. In this video exactly, last video we have seen about rank and we have used it position. Okay, we saw the VLOOKUP. Okay, that video is also there. You see it how we can use it to give grades, okay, or comments. Now we want to see how can you use if, okay, if function or nested if in our Excel work. Okay, let's come here. I just put comment. I use it to give the comment, maybe tell the student that you are promoted or you are demoted. Okay, then you come here and say equals. Okay, say if, check so that the condition is made and return the value if true and another value if false. Okay, click on if. What is the logical test? I'm saying that if I'm starting with if this marks now, the mark whoever got marks below 40 should repeat, okay, and whoever got marks from 40 to 60, okay, should come with the parent, and whoever from 60 and above, you are promoted. Okay, so say start with C then 3. Okay, if C3 is greater, okay, let me say less than 40, okay, comma, open the quotation mark and say please repeat, okay, repeat class, and you put a comma because the quotation marks and put a comma, then you say now bring another if, okay, you are using what you call nested ifs, more ifs but in one formula. Okay, if the same logical text is 3, okay, less or equal now to 60, okay, comma, open quotation mark, come with the parent, come with the parent, cross quotation mark, okay, cross quotation mark, put a comma and bring another if, okay, so if still a logical value, okay, the 3 less than or equal to, so from 60 to 100, okay, should be promoted. If I got promoted, what should we do? Put a comma, say promoted, okay, and close the quotation mark. Now here in finishing the nested if you have more than one if, you must count the brackets that you have, the opening brackets, then you also close using the same number of brackets. If not, it's going to give you an error. Okay, 1, 2, 3, because you have how many brackets? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and we are seeing over below 40 would be repeat the class, below 60 to 40 will come with a parent, okay, come with a parent, and if less than from 60 to 100, you're saying you have been promoted. Okay, thank you. See, okay, so here this one is promoted. Let's see and see others. Promoted, repeated, come with the parent. If you are from 60 up to 40 there, you come with the parent. Okay, so that is the if. Actually, this is what we call nested if function. Thank you. for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video.